So this video idea is actually sponsored by my lunch because I was getting hungry and I thought, you know, I really should show people how easy it is to grow peppers from saved seeds from the grocery store. So I'm gonna go and make my lunch right now, and then I'll show you what those seeds look like. Hey there, nature lovers. My name is Jackie, and today I want to talk to you about growing peppers, and specifically ones getting seeds from the grocery store. Peppers are just crazy expensive where I live. I actually got this bag of peppers on sale for $5, and there was, I think, like 5 peppers in it. It was 2 pounds of peppers. I just realized now I was an animal and broke the bag the wrong way, and I could have reused this bag. I normally don't buy stuff in plastic, but because they were on sale and I've been like missing peppers, I bought them. I'm going to show you how to take a $5 bag of peppers, turn them into over $200 of food, or I don't even know. We're going to count and we're going to see how much money we could actually make of plants from these peppers. So let's see how many seeds we can get from here. And yes, you can save seeds from the grocery store peppers. I have proof to show you. I have been germinating some seeds in this little bag that I'll show you in a minute. And I have planted numerous of my peppers here are from seeds saved from the grocery store. So let's see how many pepper seeds are in here and how many plants we can grow from one pepper. Okay, I've got my pepper here. I'm gonna cut into and remove this stem. Okay, quite a few seeds there. Let's see. I cut in my pepper this way. Get a few more of those seeds out. See from this one pepper, like all of these seeds are viable. Okay, maybe not all. I mean, no seeds are all viable. You gotta check the germination rate. But I will show you soon, because this is the exact same bag of the other pepper seeds that I have been saving and eating. As I ate the peppers, I was saving the seeds and I had them dried out. I put some away just because it is so crazy how many seeds you get from one bell pepper. Like, I will never buy bell peppers from like packages of seeds ever again because they're so easy to save from the grocery store. Oh my gosh, I'm not going to count all these. How many do you guys think there's in here? I feel there's like at least 100. Should we count them? Should we not? I don't know. So I'm just going to take these all and transfer them onto my tissue to dry. Definitely more than what you get in the seed packets, that's for sure. And you don't want them kind of touching, so I'm going to spread them out to give them as much airflow to be able to dry and not get like moldy or anything. There, and that's how I set them out. And then I usually put them, actually I've got these little dishes here, and I usually just set it in a dish. Whoop. Set it in a dish, put it off into the corner, let it do its thing and dry. Okay, so I have these pepper seeds that again are saved from the exact same pepper that from one of those bags that I had drying. Yeah, I had the seeds drying here in a little container exactly like this right by my sink. And the reason I started germinating these, even though I've already got like 50 plants going for peppers, is I was washing out my coffee filter and I got I splashed coffee grounds and a little bit of water into them. So I thought, okay, well, these look dirty now, so I'm going to propagate them and see just what the germination rate of this variety is, because the other ones that I have growing are saved from my own garden and saved from a pepper from Costco. So, okay, so I'm going to show you. And to get these to germinate, I just put them in a wet paper towel or this tissue. I put them inside a plastic bag. I put the plastic bag actually in between, like close to my heat mat, but you could pretty much put it in just a sunny window and it'll be fine. It needs a little bit of heat and that moisture. And so let's take a look at this. Okay, so these are all of the pepper seeds. Again, remember, these are coffee grounds. It's not mold or anything. I just happened to accidentally spill my coffee grounds onto the seeds that were drying, so I thought I'd germinate them. But like, look at the germination rate. I would say like like 99% have germinated. I don't think there's any that haven't. Maybe that one there. So now what you can do is these ones are ready. Like I could pot all of these up if I wanted another 100 pepper plants, which unfortunately I don't really have the space for them. But yeah, these are all from a bell pepper that was bought from the grocery store and saved. And I've saved probably, I would say like 400 or 500 pepper seeds from just store-bought peppers. My Costco ones are growing, which I'll show you right away because they're the long style pepper. These are like the California Wonder style. But like, just look at how well they're growing. They got their little roots going. And yeah, this will all grow into beautiful, healthy plants. So I don't know why we're buying all these, spending all this money on seeds when we can save them from the grocery store. Peppers and tomatoes, I would say, are the #1 thing that you can save from the grocery store. So if you pot up those little baby seeds that are germinating, they're going to grow into these big, beautiful pepper plants. These ones here are saved from a pepper from Costco, one of those long, round ones. And like just look how beautiful these peppers are. You do not need to be buying pepper seeds in the store. And if you want some like special jalapenos or spicy peppers, you can also buy those and germinate those. My plan with these is I'm going to save as many of these seeds as I can so that when I get to my seed swap next year, I can swap them with other growers of hot peppers and different varieties of peppers. I picked these ones up at the seed swap. These are habanero chocolate and these are ring of fire. So I got all my pepper seeds for free this year. I think one pepper is going to give you over 100 pepper seeds that are going to grow into 100 pepper plants. Like that's a pretty good savings. So this is your PSA to save your pepper seeds and grow them. Like when you buy peppers from the nursery, they don't normally come in a 6-pack like this. They come individually and they sell them from anywhere from $5 to $8. And if they do come in a sell pack like this, it's a pretty good deal. But yeah, that is one way how you can reduce your costs in the garden is by saving your own seeds, and saving seeds from grocery store. Tomatoes and peppers especially work well for that. Of course, it does cost money to grow these a little bit. Like you need to have a heat mat to get them started, or a warm area in your house. Like maybe you've got heated floors or something. A light is necessary too. And then of course, potting soil and whatnot. So it's not a completely free thing, but I did, like, if you reuse all of these cells, I reuse all the plastic. So you can do it in an affordable way. You can grow lots of peppers. You could even sell these peppers if you wanted to. I mean, sell them on Marketplace, do pre-orders for peppers. There's a lot of people that will put in, they don't want to grow it. And if you've got the grow space, or that's your side hustle you want to start, you can set up a grow space and then sell your peppers for $5 each and get those seeds for free. Anyways, that's my 2 cents on how to get pepper seeds from a $5 pepper from the grocery store and how to have lots of plants. So save some seeds. Don't stress about the cost of gardening. There are cheap ways to do it. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.